Kita niyo yan. Yan ang coastal road ng Davao. Yan, no? Napakaganda ng coastal road ng Davao. At nakita niyo yan. Baba na kami ng Davao City. Yun, yung coastal road.
Attention everyone, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened.
Lalanding na kami. Ayan ang poblasyon ng Davao City. Yun ang ECM. Ayan ang Ikulan. Kita mo pinakasentro. Yan ang poblasyon ng Davao City. Ano na yan. Yun. Lalanding na kami dito sa Davao International Airport. Andun ang tulay ng Bukana. So nakikita nyo, yan ang Davao River. Yan. Yan ang pinakapoblasyon ng Davao City. Poblasyon yan. Yan, poblasyon. Kita nyo kung ano ang Davao City. Yan. Poblasyon ng Davao City. Ano. Bababa na kami, landing na kami ngayon at yan, bababa na kami sa Davao City ngayon. Yan lang, yan, bababa na Davao City, bababa na. Nakikita niyo yung dagat, yun ang Island Garden City of Samal. Ito na yung ano bababa na kami. Airport na. Tapos liliko kami doon sa bagong airport. Ayun ang private plane, no? Okay, yan ang runway. Liliko na kami at nandun na, ito na, papalapit na kami doon sa terminal talaga ng Davao International Airport.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly disembarkation, we ask everyone on board to remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance. Those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Davao International Airport. Ayan na. Wow, may flight pala ngayon sa sa international kasi nandiyan sa unang-una. Buti may bakante na terminal. Ayan. Yan ang Davao International Airport. Kararating lang po namin. Thank you very much po, Lord. At napakaganda po ng aming pagdating. Kararating lang namin ang Davao City. Exactly alas 8:10 ng umaga. No, ang aming paglapag. Alas 8:10 ng umaga ang paglapag namin. Galing kami ng Metro Manila. Galing kami ng Naya. Alas 6:40. So, thank you very much po.